Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to take a screen recording on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Well, knowing how to take a screen recording on this device can be useful for various reasons. You might want to demonstrate a process to someone, create a tutorial, or capture something interesting happening on your screen. So, let's go to the tutorial. Well, first thing first, enter to the Control Center menu. Okay, and look for this tool. Tap on it. Okay, next you can choose between to activate media only, media and mic or not at all. And also, you can activate show tabs and touch according to your needs. Well, next, click Start Recording. And now the screen record is take place. So the way to pause the record, simply tap this icon. Next, if you want to add an explanation on the screen, click pencil icon and choose the color and adjust the thickness. And you're ready to draw any explanation on the screen. Okay, but if you need to show your face to give more explanation about the screen record, simply tap this icon, then it will show your face and now you are be able to explain anything comfortably. So, the way to stop the record, click this icon, and you can see it in the gallery. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.